Thanks for staying with us on Headlines. Now let's bring you some news from the world of sports. And in cricket, former players Anil Kumble, Javagal Srinath and Venkatesh Prasad are all set to make the transformation from the pitch to the boardroom. They will contest Karnataka Cricket Association's polls. But another cricketer from the state, Dravid, will not contest but has assured his support to the trio. Meanwhile, Anil Kumble has said that their aim primarily is to take Karnataka cricket to the #1 stand in the country. Now, Diwali is as much a festival of gifts as it is of lights, and IT professionals are most often considered to be the most pampered lot this season. As IT companies gear up to deliver the goodies to their employees, the assumption doesn't seem too distant from the truth. Ashmit Kumar takes a look at how the tech majors are loosening their purse strings on Diwali Dhoom.
This is turning out to be a cracker of a season for IT professionals. Having said sayonara to the gory season of pink slips last year, IT employees are being showered with goodies in this year's edition of Diwali.
We did have exchange of gifts and exchange of goodies happening on 27th, wherein we did exchange gift hampers and we did give them all. We would want our employees to feel special all the time.
This trend of rewarding the employee is only gaining more momentum with agencies providing gifting solutions. These agencies reveal that IT bellwethers are the biggest spenders on their employees.
The first comes IT sector because the employee size is very big. You can take any companies, so they rewards them for Diwali very much. The budgets are very high.
So, if you are an IT professional, what can you expect this Diwali?
Pen stands, books and laptop bags, that all regular products. They even go for Montblanc pens. They even go for branded pens like branded products like iPods, branded like mobile phones, your laptops.
And these excited tell-all smiles of IT employees do more than just drop a hint.
Yeah, in our company the response is very great. As you can see, we have got a very wonderful sweet gifts, and we usually celebrate every occasion in a very different way.
Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, is smiling down on IT professionals. Let's keep our fingers crossed that we too can find ourselves in her good graces. In Chennai, this is Ashmit Kumar for NDTV Hindu.
So ahead of the big blast this Friday, actors and actresses from the film fraternity join us in wishing you ahead of all the celebrations waiting for us. We leave you with this message. Thanks for watching.
Hi, இனிய தீபாவளி நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். தீபாவளினா சேஃப்டி ஃபர்ஸ்ட். இந்த மத்தாப்பு மற்ற விஷயங்கள்லாம் எரிஞ்ச பிறகு சும்மா எங்கேயும் தூக்கி போடாம தொட்டில எங்கேயும் போட்டலாம். இல்லை எங்கேயாவது வச்சுட்டு யாராவது மிதிச்சு அதை புண்ணாயிடும். பக்கத்தில் ஒரு சின்ன ஒரு பக்கெட்டில் தண்ணி வச்சிருங்க. ஏதாவது விபரீதமாக நடந்துச்சுன்னா அந்த தண்ணி ஊற்றிக்கிறதுக்காக கொஞ்சம் தண்ணி வச்சுக்கோங்க. இன்னொரு பக்கெட்டில் இந்த மத்தாப்பு எல்லாமே யூஸ் பண்ண பிறகு அதில் இது டவுஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு ஒரு சின்ன பக்கெட் பக்கத்தில் வச்சு 2 பக்கெட் தண்ணி வச்சுக்கோங்க.